To enable and use widgets on a lock screen in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter display and touch options, and when you enter them, navigate down until we find the lock screen. And when you enter that, go to the widgets on lock screen and make sure that they are active. Now, if we lock our device and then perform a swipe to the left from the right side of our screen, we'll be able to see those widgets. If you want to edit them, click and hold your finger right here in the empty space, unlock your phone, and that way you'll be able to remove widgets or add them with this plus button. So for example, let's add something like this. And that way we'll have a different widget right here. We can then remove this one. Then click on done. And if we go back, as you can see, this widget shows up. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.